What's up, guys? So I wanted to do a breakdown of a trade that we took uh, right before the election. And so this trade here, essentially what happened was, if we look at the weekly time frame, you can see here uh, we had weekly buy signals, and we were also printing an inside candle. So I was looking for a breakout up into new all-time highs, and there was nothing. It was really simple trade. You can see the relative strength was increasing on this stock. Um, it was making new highs, and you can see we had this inside candle. The last buy signals that gave us a really nice move upside. So I was looking for some follow through here again. And so where that follow through came was we got buy signals here, and we ended up picking up the position at the 8 or 9 EMA here, and we're up a couple percent into the close, but we ultimately got that push into all-time highs, and then left some runners once we broke through 150. And I actually held the last quarter of my position, and it ended up stopping out of it once we broke the 9 EMA here. And so we took off 75% on that gap up in the move through 150 here. So nice move in all-time highs. It was a 15% move overnight, and ended up being a really nice trade. The reason why I was looking at this as well was XME was also setting up. So you can see it had a similar price pattern. And if we go to the weekly time frame, you can see here that we are printing buy signals on the weekly. It looks like it's failing to break out like kind of the rest of the market, but we had that big pop up and now we're failing. So now what I'm seeing is we might be resetting, but you can see here the relative strength is increasing in this sector. So we want to keep an eye on this. But at the same time, we lack of follow through. I don't want to hold the last quarter of the position if it's not going to do any good for me. So ends up being a good trade on STLD, making a new all-time high and a move from like 134 up into 155 overnight. So that turned out to be a great trade and actually ended up being one of the bigger winners besides the banks after that post-election news. So I hope this helps. A couple things to look for. Green trend bars, those are always good. Inside candles, we love those. And make sure the weekly is aligning with your setup.